Absolutely everyone in the blockchain space knows Sui. And yes, some people pronounce it Sui.
People should know how to pronounce it. It's Sui.
It's not like any other blockchain.
Not Sui or Sway.
Sui is one of the fastest growing blockchains in the industry, and it's become a leading network for DeFi and real financial apps. Founded by the core team behind Meta stablecoin initiative Libra and powered by an object-centric model, Sui makes assets, permissions, and user data programmable and ownable.
Our team comes from Facebook, so we're used to building systems for the next billion users.
This layer 1 is also one of the top non-EVM chains by growth across key metrics, with strong expansion in DeFi and real-world financial use cases. And it's not just retail interest. Sui continues to gain institutional recognition. ETF products tied to Sui have been launched by Canary Capital and Grayscale Investments, which is a pretty clear signal that traditional finance is paying attention. So with Sui growing this fast, I wanted to show you how to use the leading wallet on the Sui network, Slush Wallet. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your wallet and receive, swap, and send coins using the app. I'll also briefly walk you through the other features inside Slush. Let's uncoil this. Slush Wallet is the leading crypto wallet on the Sui network, built by Misten Labs, the original team that created the Sui blockchain.
Misten Lab is the inventor and builder of Sui.
It's evolving into a full-stack finance app, enabling users to trade, earn yield, explore Sui ecosystem apps, and so much more. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Slush Wallet on a mobile device. I'm using Android. You can find Slush Wallet on Google Play or the Apple App Store. Or you can just go to slush.app and hit the download button there. Install and open Slush Wallet. You can create an account using Google or Apple, and also Facebook, Discord, or by creating a passphrase. You can also import an existing wallet using a passphrase or private key, or import an existing wallet from Ledger. In this tutorial, I'm going to sign up using Gmail via zkLogin. zkLogin was invented by Misten Labs. When you sign up using your Gmail, you don't need a seed phrase. If you want to learn more about zkLogin and how it works, I'll leave the link in the description. Alright, tap the Google icon, then sign in to your Gmail. As a security precaution, it's smart to use two-factor authentication. The very first thing I see is a pop-up saying that with strategies I can earn up to 21.31% APY directly through Sui DeFi apps without leaving Slush. Slush Strategies, also known as DeFi One Click or DeFi Quick Start, let you access curated yield strategies with a single tap. I'll definitely check that out later. First, let's get some Sui tokens. With Slush Wallet, you can either buy crypto directly in-app through a third party, or transfer assets from other wallets or exchanges. To buy, tap the Buy button, then select the coin you want to buy. Choose the amount, and finally check out with one of the payment providers available in your region. In my state, I can buy Sui using Banksa, Coinbase, or Transact. The Slush Wallet team is actively working with other partners, so more buy options are coming soon. If you want to request coins, tap Request, select the coin, tap Create Payment Request, and share the QR code with the sender. Or you can receive coins by tapping the icon in the top right corner. Tap Receive Sui and share your address or QR code with the sender. Once the coins are sent, you should see your balance update in seconds. Now let me show you how to swap coins directly inside Slush Wallet. It's super simple. Tap Swap, select your pair, and choose the amount you want to swap. I'm going to swap Sui for USDC. And there you go, it's that simple. The swap completed in seconds. Now let's check the Earn tab. With strategies powered by Sui DeFi apps, you can earn 4.82% with USDC stablecoins and up to 21.31% APY with non-stablecoin assets. By the time you watch this video, you may see additional coins and strategies available in the app. No complex DeFi steps, no multiple transactions, and no technical knowledge is required. You just deposit and earn. You can also stake Sui using liquid staking or native staking. Both options are available inside Slush Wallet. And the third option for passive income is vaults and lending. You can earn by depositing into vaults or by lending. Now let's check the other tabs. Let's open the Assets tab. This is where you'll see all your NFTs. You can also browse the marketplace without leaving the app. Next is the Apps tab. Here you can access top Sui ecosystem apps directly inside Slush, sorted by different categories. A couple of apps I'd recommend are Sui Land for lending and borrowing, and Bluefin for perpetuals and trading. There are plenty of other apps, and more integrations are being added regularly. Next is Activity. Here you can see a transaction history. And finally, the Profile tab. Here you can manage your account, adjust settings, see app details and contact support. Let me change the theme real quick. Banana Bliss Dark looks good. Finally, let me show you how to send coins using Slush Wallet. Go to the Home tab, tap Send, choose the asset you want to send, then paste the recipient's address or your exchange deposit address if you are sending to an exchange. Review the details, then tap Send. Congrats, you've successfully sent your coins. That's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Leave a comment down below, and as always, check out CryptoSnake deals for the best discounts on conference tickets and crypto gear. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you later.
I'ma keep it a stack. People doubted my talent, really just wanted me to react. Perseverance ain't what I lack. Haters see you've got potential, then they've got something against you. Always have an opinion and hoping that it offends you.